When you gaze at a towering skyscraper piercing through the clouds, you might think its biggest battle is against gravity. But there's a silent force constantly at war with these giants: wind. This invisible enemy can make or break a tall structure. Welcome to Understanding Wind Loads, the silent enemy of tall structures. 1. What are wind loads? Wind loads refer to the pressure and forces exerted by wind as it flows around a building. The faster the wind, the more force it applies. But it's not just a steady breeze we're talking about. Wind is unpredictable. Gusts can slam into a building from different angles, creating areas of high pressure on one side and suction on the other. Tall structures, like skyscrapers, experience these forces more intensely. The higher you go, the stronger the wind, and this can create problems if not properly accounted for during the design process. 2. The danger of wind-induced vibrations. One of the biggest dangers of wind loads isn't just the direct pressure, but the vibrations they can cause. When wind hits a building at just the right speed, it can create something called vortex shedding. This phenomenon can cause a building to sway and shake, sometimes violently. Without proper design, wind-induced vibrations can lead to structural fatigue, cracks, and in worst cases, catastrophic failure. Imagine a massive tower moving back and forth like a reed in the wind. It's terrifying, but it's exactly what engineers work to prevent. 3. How engineers combat wind loads. But fear not, engineers have developed clever solutions to fight back against wind. One of the most common tools is the use of aerodynamic design. Rounded corners and tapered tops help reduce wind pressure and keep the structure stable. Another brilliant technique? Tuned mass dampers. These are giant weights placed at the top of a building that sway in the opposite direction of the wind-induced movements, counteracting the vibrations. It's like a balancing act at a massive scale. Some buildings even use perforated exteriors or gaps in the structure to let the wind pass through, minimizing pressure and turbulence. These design tricks turn wind from a fierce enemy into just another factor engineers can control. 4. Why wind load matters to you. So, why does this matter? As we continue to build taller, wind loads are becoming an even bigger challenge. And in a world dealing with climate change, stronger storms and unpredictable weather patterns mean wind loads could become more dangerous than ever before. Whether you're an engineer, a student, or just someone fascinated by skyscrapers, understanding wind loads gives you a glimpse into the invisible battles that happen every day above our heads. The next time you look at a skyscraper, remember, it's not just standing tall by chance. It's fighting the wind and winning. In the silent war between wind and structure, engineers are the unsung heroes, ensuring our buildings withstand the forces of nature. So, the next time you see a skyscraper, know that it's more than just steel and glass. It's a testament to human ingenuity.